Hey there, today I have such a tasty marinade for griddled steaks to share with you. It has a bunch of fresh herbs, fresh garlic, ginger, some soy sauce, vinegar. It's so yummy, it smells so good. I'm gonna teach you how to make it start to finish, and then I'm gonna show you some griddled steaks we made with this yummy griddle marinade. Let's go. So the marinade that I'm gonna use is based off of the recipe for the flank steak marinade that you can find on Sip Bite Go. All right, so it's time to add all these ingredients to a bowl to make the marinade for the beef loin flap meat that we're gonna griddle. Just gonna show you step by step them going in, gonna mix it all together, and then it'll be time to marinate the flap meat in it for about 30 minutes, up to like 90 minutes, but we'll probably just do closer to 30 minutes for this particular recipe demonstration. You can print all the ingredients and the steps to make this at Sip Bite Go. It looks so good. It smells delicious. I'm excited. Yum. What? Good God, that looks so good. Whoa. Wow, this looks so good. Yum. Cannot wait to dig in. It smells so good.